Hello, my name is Zhang. I'm an M.F.A. student in Syracuse University, a major in design, and my thesis is an exploration tour for a professional counseling at home for couples. First of all, those products have three sections. The first one was relationship assessment, which identifies your relationship. And the secondly was the section exercises, which can briefly to maintain your a health relationship, or if you continue to do these parts, exercises, you may have improved your relationship. Then the last one was send a report to your therapist, which you will get a feedback from them. They were telling you if it's a time to go to see the therapist, or they will also give you some relationship recommendation. This is important to me because during my primary research, I found the divorce rate is highly unexpected in America. So half of the married couples get divorced. So I was trying to bring up the couple's self-awareness and also help them to build a stronger and healthy relationship.